I'm Cameron with Baird Foundation Repair. Have you ever noticed cracks or sagging above your garage door? Today I'll be discussing the warning signs that your garage lintel may need to be repaired. Many homeowners look for common issues around their homes, like wood rot or broken garage doors. But have you ever noticed cracks in the brickwork above your garage lintel or sagging near the center? Those are not just standard settling of your home. Those could be signs of garage lintel issues. The most common signs that your garage lintel may need repair are cracks and fractures. These can occur due to age, weather, or heavy loads being on the lintel. Other warning signs can be rust or corrosion if your lintel is made of steel. Rust or corrosion can weaken the structure of the lintel and make it more prone to damage. Baird Foundation Repair has a solution for you. Baird uses a patented solution that can stop lintel failure in its tracks by providing extra support that your garage door needs. The lintel lift is one steel beam and two steel side columns with decorative covers to offer your garage the support it needs. These problems won't get better in time. It's important to repair cracks and fractures as soon as possible, or the structure of the garage can be weakened, leading to more serious damage. If you see these warning signs, give Baird Foundation Repair a call for a free estimate and a solution that delivers comfort and security for years to come.